quick protein vegan meal. Do you get tired of spending hours in the kitchen preparing completely plant-based meals? Do you want to reduce your cooking time from hours to under 30 minutes? We've got your back. These quick vegan meals are ready in under 30 minutes, giving you more time to spend with friends and family and less time over the stove. Plus, with the rising cost of energy, these quick vegan meals will save you money without sacrificing taste. So, keep an eye out for some quick and easy vegan meals that will make dinner time a breeze. Prepare to satisfy your appetite and taste buds with these exciting and simple meals. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts on the topic in the comment section down below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. So here are some protein-rich vegan meals that are also quick to prepare. The ultimate portobello fajitas. Did you know portobello mushrooms can be used to make vegan fajitas? Make this vegan dinner in 15 minutes for a delicious and quick weeknight vegan meal. Ingredients. Prepare the following ingredients for the aforementioned meal. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 sliced bell peppers, 1 sliced white onion, and 4 sliced portobello mushrooms. For the fajita seasoning spices, prepare a half teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, another half teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 6 small whole wheat tortillas, and a good handful of pickled and sliced jalapeno peppers for the fajita seasoning spices. If you want more, you can add guacamole or tomato salsa as your toppings. Method. To begin making these ultimate portobello fajitas, heat a large pan over medium to high heat. Once the coconut oil has melted, add the sliced onions and bell peppers. Fry for 8 to 10 minutes or until the vegetables soften. Then, stir in the spices and fry further for 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Next, add the portobello mushrooms and soy sauce to the mixture and cook until browned about 4 to 6 minutes. Once browned, warm the tortillas in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes or in the microwave for 30 seconds on high. Fill the tortillas with the portobello fajita mixture, then top with the jalapeno peppers, guacamole, and salsa. Perfection! The next meal, we have Thai jungle curry. Master this creamy Thai jungle curry while increasing your protein intake with this savory protein seasoning. A perfect combination of fragrant ginger, garlic, and lemongrass that is also extremely simple to prepare. These are the ingredients. This curry contains 1 tablespoon of Thai jungle curry paste, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 diced white onion. Prepare 400 ml coconut oil, preferably reduced fat, to keep the calories low. Then, 1 aubergine, cut into cubes, 100 grams of mange tout, 200 grams of drained tinned green lentils, 200 grams of drained tinned chickpeas, and a handful of fresh basil leaves to garnish. The method to begin creating this meal is to heat the coconut oil in a pan over medium heat and fry the diced onions until soft. Then, Stir in the coconut milk and curry paste. After that, stir in the aubergine and mantou. Then, reduce to a low heat and cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the sauce has thickened and the vegetables are tender. Then, add the drained green lentils and chickpeas and stir. Lastly, cook for another 5 minutes before spooning into bowls and garnishing with fresh basil leaves. Next meal, we have loaded jacket burrito. This loaded vegan jacket potato and burrito mashup combines two of your favorite dinners into a delicious 15-minute meal. For the ingredients, prepare for Maris Piper or King Edward potatoes, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 large sliced red onion or 2 small sliced into strips, 2 diced red chilies, 1 sliced red pepper strips, and 2 tablespoons of fajita seasoning, 500 grams of cooked wholemeal rice, 100 grams of tinned black beans, a handful of coriander, 100 grams of grated vegan cheese, a pinch of salt, and lastly, a pinch of pepper. For the toppings, you can add 8 tablespoons of guacamole and 8 tablespoons of salsa. For the method of this meal, to start, heat the oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Add red onion and pan fry for 5 to 7 minutes. While you wait, clean the jacket potatoes and prick them with a fork. Place on a plate and microwave for 5 minutes on high power. Then, turn and cook for another 5 minutes. For another 2 minutes, add the garlic, chilies, red pepper, and seasoning. Then, fry. Next, add the red pepper and fry for another 2 minutes. Then, add the cooked rice, coriander, and black beans and stir until heated through. Set aside after removing from the heat. Slice down the tops of the potatoes, then scoop out the flesh and place it in a mixing bowl. Mix in the cheese, salt, and pepper. Fill potato shells with rice mixture and cover with cheesy potato mixture. Grill for 5 minutes on high heat. Finally, serve with guacamole and salsa. Now we are down to our last meal, the cauli tikka masala. In just 15 minutes, you can make your favorite vegan curry recipe. This recipe makes use of rice protein peanut butter in curry flavor to boost the flavor and protein content even more. Make a quick spice paste, then toss everything into the pan and sit back and relax until it's done. The ingredients for this meal. To make the paste, combine 400 grams of chopped tomatoes and 6 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 thumb of ginger, a handful of coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 red chili, a half of salt, 4 spring onions, salt, and 1 tablespoon of toasted cumin seeds. For the rest, prepare 1 head of cauliflower that was chopped into small pieces, 400 grams of tinned coconut milk, 400 grams of drained tin chickpeas, 4 tablespoons of dairy-free plain yogurt, 300 grams of wholemeal rice, and half of lime juice. The method in making this meal. Make the curry paste first. In a blender, combine chopped tomatoes, rice protein peanut butter in curry flavor, garlic, ginger, coriander, garam masala, chili, salt, spring onions, and cumin seeds. Then, in a pan, over high heat, melt the coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add the cauliflower and pan fry for 2 minutes. Fry for another 2 minutes after adding the paste. Then add the coconut milk and chickpeas. Cover the pan and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Finally, top with wholemeal rice, dairy-free yogurt, and a squeeze of lime juice. And that concludes this video. We hope this helps you start cooking quick vegan meals with protein so you can spend more time with your loved ones. Thank you so much for sticking with us until the end of this video. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell us about your experience making these meals at home. See you in our next video.